Digitalization is the essential next step in glass manufacturing. It's founded on the industry's high level of automation. With the digital manufacturing solutions provided by Tecnomatix Plant Simulation, Siemens is making a key element of digitalization available for the glass industry. Tecnomatix Plant Simulation lets users simulate the manufacturing sequence of an entire glass line. That means they can use the virtual representation of a plant to optimize its operation and maintenance in real time. The digital twin lets you perform a range of scenarios to test whether the production plant will meet the desired requirements. And thanks to Tecnomatix Plant Simulation, the opportunities are limitless. The program lets you conveniently monitor transport routes and production stages within the plant, such as quality control and palettizing in the case of container glass manufacture. The digital twin also lets you simulate outages of individual plant units during operation. How will an outage in one section of the IS machine affect ongoing production? Simulating these scenarios helps plant operators identify potential weak points in their plant and put the appropriate countermeasures in place. How you benefit from using Tecnomatix Plant Simulation in container glass manufacturing. Tecnomatix helps you make the right decisions, reduce costs, and improve the efficiency of your plant. The program helps shorten your time to market by enabling end-to-end design and analysis of your entire plant. Tecnomatix smoothes your path to digitalization in the glass industry.